What is going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and this is the tutorial video for the card trick that will fool many people. And if you guys haven't checked the performance out, I'll put the link on the screen and description, so go make sure and check that out first. Otherwise, you're just watching a tutorial for no reason. So go and do that. And if you guys have already seen the performance, then let's do it. So before breaking down this trick, just to give you guys a little bit of a background, this is a card trick that I came up with a couple days ago, tried and tested it out on a few people and got some great reactions. So I've taken things from multiple different card tricks and pretty much presented them in my own way. And we don't have a name for it yet, so we're just gonna go with this great card trick. So breaking down this trick, there is a little bit of a setup required. You're going to need to set up 3 cards. The first card will be the card you're forcing on the spectator. The second card will be the same suit as the card you're forcing, and the third card will be the same value as the card you're forcing. So you take these 3 cards, put them on top of the deck like this, with the force card on top, followed by suit, followed by value. Now once the setup is complete, when I start off the trick, I start off with the controlled overhand shuffle, so I'm maintaining that top packet of cards. And while I do this, I ask the spectator to think of a number between 1 and 20. And let's just say they select the number 7. Okay, so then I show the spectator, I want you to deal off 7 cards. And then me as the performer, I deal off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I deal off 7 pretty much just to show them that's how you want them to deal it off. You take these 7 cards, put them on top of the deck, and then give it another false overhand shuffle, maintaining that top packet of cards. Okay, so then you hand the deck over to the spectator, and they know they picked the number 7, so they're just going to repeat the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They take a look at the 7th card, which is the card you're forcing on the spectator, and they leave it aside. From here, you pick this back up, and at this point, you only really care about these top 2 cards, so you can give the deck a riffle shuffle. Again, be careful to maintain those cards on top. You can give it an overhand shuffle. And then you tell the spectator that you're going to use the deck to tell you what card they selected. So you come over to the first card, you flip it over, say this card's going to tell me the suit of your card. Flip it over, you say it's a diamond. And then you can give it another shuffle if you'd like, or you could do a force on the spectator, so they'd force the value card. And then you reveal the value card as well, showing it's the 9 of diamonds, and the spectator reveals that their card is indeed the 9 of diamonds. Now, if you guys like this trick, make sure to go and check out this trick as well. And if not, then go out and add some magic into people's day. Peace out.